How to enable Crushtime on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can enable Crushtime on Happn. So let's start. First of all, let's open the app and log into my account. After you log into your Happn account, you will come to the Explorer page like this. Now you will have various options that you can select from the menu at the bottom. You will find various things such as likes, chats and other things. Now talking about Crushtime on Happn. Happn itself will notify you with a notification when you are eligible to play Crushtime on the app. You must have a number of likes before you can start playing Crushtime on the app. An old article reported that you must have 10 likes in order to play Crushtime. So when you reach a particular number of likes on Happn, the app itself will send you a notification to play Crushtime. When you play Crushtime, the first time is always free. So basically, in order to enable Crushtime, you have to send a super crush to someone and then you can start playing the game. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.